Nearly 50 million tons of electronic waste is expected to be produced in 2019. This is the equivalent of almost 5,000 Eiffel Towers. Yet only 20% of it is collected and recycled properly.
So at Kodak Alaris, we minimize our environmental footprint using an aspect of our environmental management system called aspects and impacts. So we're looking at all of our operations and our products and determining what their aspects and impacts are on the environment, and then looking for targets and objectives to reduce those.
When we design a product, we focus on the entire product lifecycle. And we do that so that we can minimize potential impacts to the environment.
We look at the life cycle of our products and look for areas where we can reduce energy consumption in our products and our operations, where we can feature environmental attributes of our products that really differentiate us from our competitors.
We now have a couple of different environmental labels that we pursue. It helps us communicate to customers the type of initiatives we're taking to minimize impacts on the environment. EPEAT is another program that is recognized in the industry for both computers, printers, scanners as well. EPEAT is a graduated scale of recognizing criteria that are intended to minimize impacts on the environment. And it starts at a bronze, and it moves to a silver, and finally a gold level. So presently, all of our scanners are at a silver level for EPEAT. We are taking steps to gather more criteria and get more points so that we can achieve that gold level with our portfolio.
FSC stands for Forestry Stewardship Council, and it's well-known. It's been around since the early 1990s. It's an international award, which basically shows that the papers that we're selling can be traced back to the origins of the forest from which the pulp was obtained and from which the paper was made. And it can show that that forest is certified under proper forestry management.
So we are right now in completing the third year of our first set of 5-year environmental goals. We are seeking to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions as indexed to our revenue by 5%. 4 of our manufacturing sites have ISO 14001 certification. ISO 14001 is an internationally recognized third-party certified environmental management standard. It provides a framework to effectively manage an organization's environmental impact from products, services, and processes.
We're working to be as green as possible. The folks in the back take the scanners that come back from customers on trade-ins, and they take them apart and they salvage the parts that we can reuse. It saves us money, it saves the customer money, and it allows us to be a good corporate citizen. We've got 2 grandkids. I don't want to leave a mess in the planet for them to clean up, so it's the right thing to do.